How many times have you been taking notes or writing a paper or listening to a lecture and you had a question or you heard a word that you didn't really know and you needed the definition of it, and you didn't want to go all the way out to Google and then type in a browser and figure out which page would be the best and figure out which source is credible and which one's not? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take AI or ChatGPT-3 and put it directly into a note-taking app called LogSeq. And from there, you can ask it any question that your heart desires. It can stop writer's block. It can honestly give you inspiration. It can help you with your scheduling. It can help you with automation. And we're going to do that right now. So let's get to it. Browser, and you want to go to LogSeq.com. LogSeq.com is just a note-taking app that I use. There's plenty of different ones. There's Notion, Notes++, there's so many, but LogSeq actually implements GPT-3, and so once that is downloaded, you're just going to want to choose a file to save all your notes in, and that can be anywhere. It can be on your desktop, it can be wherever you like. So once you've got all that downloaded, then you just want to go to LogSeq, and when you open it up, it's going to look like this. And in the top right hand corner, you're going to see this plugin puzzle piece, and just go right down to plugins, and you're going to want to search for GPT-3, and it should come up just like this. You're going to want to go ahead and click on it and install it in your notes, and from here we're almost done. So you're just going to want to go back to your browser. You're going to want to search for a website called OpenAI. The only reason that this is possible is because of a man named Sunter, and he's the one who actually created all this and put it together, so I got to give him credit. And you're just going to click on API, and once you come to the home page here, you're just going to want to create a login account if you don't have an account already, and you just watch me log in here. So once you're actually in, you want to go to the top right. You're going to want to click on View API Keys. And from here down at the bottom, you're going to see API Key. And it's going to give you a secret key here that you're going to want to just copy into your clipboard. And from here, you want to return right back to LogSeq and click on this little wheel icon here and open all settings. Once you do that, you're just going to want to paste that key that we just copied into the top bar, and we're done. We're all set. So how do I actually use it now that I installed all this and went through all this trouble? So what you're going to want to do is you can actually ask it any question, such as this: when was the internet invented and by who? Something that we use every day, and I figured we might as well know the answer, right? So you're just going to want to do a slash after the question, and then GPT, and it should give you three options here. Two options. It should say GPT page or GPT block. A page is going to make it another bullet point right below this one, and a block is actually going to put it below the question, so it's kind of like an answer. And there we go. The internet was invented by Leonard Kleinrock on October 29th, 1969. And the more information that you give GPT, the more information that it will give you. You can honestly use it to write papers. You can use it for information that you're just curious about. Honestly, it's really good for book reports, that type of thing. But just as a disclaimer, I would definitely double check the information, because you never know if it's accurate, but everything that I've searched and everything that I've tried has always come out really good. So now you have the power of AI on your desktop. Enjoy the content and you want to see more, please subscribe down below and leave a like if you feel so inclined.